The last thing in your mind when purchasing a car is the interior. Well, you look at the bodyworks, then you listen to the engine, and you don't even think how many people have used this vehicle and how the interior of the vehicle have been used. Never meant to scare you, but things happen in the interior of vehicle, and you should really be very cautious with the interior of the vehicle. Some people even won't touch the vehicle until it's been detailed interior, until it's been disinfected before they start using it. And that is the right way, because as a used car, you just don't know. Even brand new cars may carry some chemicals in the interior. So I have a client who always books me before changing. He changes car every 2-3 years. And when they're changing it, I have to clean the inside and disinfect, and so that they are not picking up any factory chemicals that are left in the vehicle. Yes, it may sound like weird, but brand new cars even have got undesirable things in there that needs to be cleansed. Let alone car that people have used. You just don't know what the previous owner have done in the car. So I have cleansed this vehicle. I'm showing you the before and after of the interior, but you need to watch the in-between, because the next video that will be showing at the top will be the in-between, and that's going to be a long video, but that is going to be a video for you to understand what goes into the cleansing of the interior. And for you who is thinking of doing it yourself as well, it will help you to follow the steps. Even if you don't have the tools that I have, you'll be able to follow the steps. For the new detailer who is learning their way, this is a very good video for you to understand what's involved in it, so that you know how much you're charging, and also how much energy you will be putting into interior detailing. Interior detailing is instant reward for me, but it is really hard work, because you have to contour your body into so many forms, kneeling down and all sorts. But it's something that I really enjoy doing, especially knowing that I'm removing the dirt and the germs of, people's germs and dirt before handing over to the new owner. Thanks for watching. There will be the full video, which will be a very long video of how I detail the interior of this vehicle. So stay tuned, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Think interior. I know you're excited to drive your new car, but think interior first, because that is equally important. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.